Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Revenue tab in Studio. In 2026, the Revenue tab in YouTube Studio remains the central hub for creators to track and optimize their earnings. To access it, sign into your YouTube Studio, then select Analytics. From the left menu or in your application, and from here you should be able to find an option called Revenue tab. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. However, it is not shown in mine because I'm accessing it from mobile. But what if you were to access YouTube Studio? But if you were to access YouTube Studio from your desktop, you should be able to find Revenue option. Now once you tap on it, the Revenue tab will provide a snapshot of your channel's financial health through several primary metrics, like estimated revenue, your total net income from all sources like ads, memberships, supers for the selected time frame. Note that financialized earnings typically appear in AdSense for YouTube between the 7th and 12th of the following month. Now, revenue per mile. This represents how much you have earned per 1,000 views. It is the most accurate reflection of your actual take-home pay as it includes ad revenue, YouTube Premium, and fan funding. And you will also find another option called CPM or cost per mile, which advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions. This is often higher than RPM because YouTube takes 45% cut of ad revenue. And that is how you view this metrics, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your YouTube earning journey. And if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.